Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into the capabilities of Excel Laboratories and ESS Trading. Together, these companies specialize in manufacturing chemical filters, pumps, and electroplating solutions. Our goal is to share how our products and services can support your chemical processing and plating needs effectively. Let's start with an overview of our two entities. Excel Laboratories focuses on manufacturing a broad range of filtration products and pumps tailored for chemical processing. Meanwhile, SS Trading operates as an authorized distributor, providing high-purity electroplating chemicals and related equipment. Together, they cover a comprehensive spectrum of products for the industry. What sets Excel Laboratories apart is a combination of extensive product variety, quality manufacturing, customized solutions, and deep industry expertise. We offer thermoplastic filters and pumps built to last, designed specifically for chemical, pharmaceutical, and water treatment sectors. Our ability to tailor products to exact customer requirements is a key strength that ensures reliable performance. Focusing on our filter products, we offer a variety of pad and cartridge filters designed to meet different flow rates and system sizes. These include single cartridge units and multiple pad filters with options for carbon chambers and pressure gauges. This range allows us to address diverse filtration needs, from small lab setups to larger industrial applications. Our bag filters and special custom filters expand on this versatility. We provide configurations ranging from single-chamber bag filters to double-chamber combos that combine pad and cartridge filtration. Importantly, all filters can be customized for flow rates, micron ratings, and chemical compatibility, ensuring solutions that fit your unique process demands. Turning to pumps, our magnetic chemical pumps and vertical polypropylene pumps come in various models suited for different capacities. These sealless magnetic drive pumps are corrosion-resistant and designed for low maintenance. They reliably handle aggressive chemicals, making them ideal for continuous operation in electroplating and chemical plants. On the chemical side, SS Trading distributes high-purity electroplating chemicals essential for quality plating results. This includes nickel sulfate, nickel chloride, bright nickel salts, and copper sulfate, among others. These chemicals are selected for their low impurity levels, ensuring consistent deposits and superior plating performance across decorative and functional applications. We also supply a broad range of anodes, consumables, and accessories. From phosphorized copper balls and nickel anodes to polypropylene anode bags and titanium baskets, our products support plating processes comprehensively. Additionally, we offer filter media and corrosion-resistant heaters, plus specialized dust collector cartridges for industrial air filtration needs. Our equipment offerings include ring blowers suited for aeration and agitation in plating shops, as well as hull cell testing equipment that helps monitor and optimize plating baths. Alongside these, we provide filter bags, pleated dust collector cartridges, laboratory chemicals, and safety gear, all backed by technical support to ensure effective product selection and process optimization. SS Trading is proud to be an authorized distributor for MKS Atotech, bringing advanced metal finishing technologies to the market. This partnership covers pretreatment chemicals, decorative and functional coatings, electronic coatings, corrosion protection, and innovative technologies like anodizing and electrocoloring. These solutions are designed to meet diverse metal finishing requirements with precision. Choosing Excel Laboratories and SS Trading means accessing ISO 9001:2015 certified quality, a complete one-stop solution, and custom engineering tailored to your needs. Our local expertise combined with global standards ensures prompt service and reliable products. We have a proven track record and provide full technical support, making us a trusted partner in electroplating and chemical processing industries. Let's work together to meet your filtration, pumping, and electroplating chemical needs. You can reach Excel Laboratories and SS Trading through the provided contact details for inquiries, technical support, or custom solutions. We look forward to partnering with you to deliver reliable, high-quality products and services tailored to your specific requirements.